Welcome to our 5th standard online class. In the previous class, we completed lesson 2, Food and Health. Today in this session, we are going to study about book exercise in lesson 2. Dear students, take your science book and a pencil. Take page number 30. Let's see first objective type questions. Roman 1. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. First one. Does provide energy to the body? Carbohydrates or proteins? Which one is correct? Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates provide energy to the body. Second one. Iron and calcium are important that are needed by our body. Vitamins or minerals? Which one is correct? Minerals. Iron and calcium are important minerals that are needed by our body. Third one. Dash is the undigested part of the food we eat? Protein or roughage? Which one is correct? Roughage. Roughage is the undigested part of the food we eat. Fourth one. Does is a state of complete physical and mental well-being? Disease or health? Which one is correct? Health. Health is a state of complete physical and mental well-being. Fifth one. Dash is a communicable disease? Obesity or pneumonia? Which one is correct? Pneumonia. Pneumonia is a communicable disease. Next, Roman 2. Write T for the true and F for the false statement. First one. Bananas are a good source of carbohydrates. It's true or false? It's true. Second one. Water is not a part of balanced diet. It's true or false? It's false. Why? Because water acts as the medium for transport of nutrients inside our body. Third one. Proper diet, rest, exercise and good posture are necessary for a healthy body. It's true or false? It's true. Fourth one. Communicable diseases are caused due to deficiency of a nutrient in the body. It's true or false? It's false. Why? Because communicable diseases are caused by germs. Fifth one. Goiter is caused by the deficiency of iron. It's true or false? It's false. Why? Because goiter is caused by the deficiency of iodine. Third Roman, choose the correct option. First question. Which of these do you need to eat for muscle building? The options are A. Rice and wheat, B. Eggs and meat, C. Fruits and vegetables, D. Butter and ghee. The answer is B. Eggs and meat. Second question. Which of these are needed in small amounts for normal functioning of the body? The options are A. Carbohydrates, B. Proteins, C. Fats, D. Vitamins and minerals. The answer is D. vitamins and minerals. Third question, which of these is a good source of roughage? The options are A. Milk, B. Eggs and fish, C. Vegetables, D. Butter and ghee. The answer is C. Vegetables. Fourth question, which of these are essential to stay healthy? The options are A. Balanced diet and rest, B. Exercise, C. Good posture, D. All of this. The answer is D. All of these. Fifth question, which of these are common ways in which disease causing germs spread? The options are A. Through dirty food and water, B. Through insects, C. Through direct contact with an infected person, D. All of these. The answer is D. All of this. Sixth question, which of these disease spread through direct contact? The options are A. Measles and tuberculosis, B. Allergies and cancer, C. Beriberi and scurvy, D. Goiter and anemia. The answer is A. Measles and tuberculosis. Seventh question, which of these is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A? The options are A. Night blindness, B. Beriberi, C. Scurvy, D. Rickets. The answer is A. Night blindness. Eighth question, which of these is caused due to the deficiency of iron? The options are A. Measles, B. Tuberculosis, C. Pneumonia, D. Anemia. The answer is D. Anemia. Dear students, I hope that everyone are completed the book exercise which I taught today. Today's homework. Study book exercise in lesson 2, food and health. In the next session, we will see the remaining book exercise. Thank you, dears.